Hello, my beautiful friends. I will be your host through this meditation of your coming out celebration. When you're ready, go ahead and take in a nice, big, deep breath. And as you exhale, allow your eyes to close. Just breathing in and breathing out, relaxing and releasing any stress, any tension, just moving your shoulders and relaxing your body down as you continue to breathe in and breathe out, relaxing more and more. Just bringing all of your attention to this moment as you prepare to visualize your coming out celebration. Breathing in, breathing out. That's right. Now I want you to imagine that your coming out celebration party has been scheduled, and you are now sitting at a table with your pen, your invitations, the envelopes, your address list, and you are filling out the addresses, inviting your loved ones, your family, your friends to your coming out celebration. Pay attention to the detail of your invitations. Notice the colors, the details of the design, the font, everything about this invitation, and the pride that flows through you as you get ready to send them out to your loved ones. Notice your name on the invitation, the date, the time, and that this is a rite of passage for you and 11 other trans people coming out to the world to be embraced, to be celebrated. And see yourself sending out these invitations, putting them in the mail, feeling excited, joyful, grateful, and looking forward to your celebration day. Now, imagine, pretend if you need to, that it is the day of your coming out celebration party. You've selected the most beautiful outfit or wonderful outfit that you absolutely love to express yourself in. Your outfit is exquisite, and as you put it on, you take your own breath away because you look so fabulous as you're getting ready for this wonderful big day that celebrates you, your transition, your journey, your moment to introduce your true self to the world. So as you continue getting ready for your big day, you feel so wonderful, so excited. Any fear that comes up for you turns into excitement. Any doubt turns into confidence. You are going out into the world as you, and you know that you will be supported and celebrated and loved on this day. So you feel really, really good because you know that this day is going to be as lovely as you want it to be. You arrive at the venue. It is absolutely stunning. This venue is usually used for weddings, but today it is for you and 11 other trans people that are going to be presented to the world as their true self today. So the venue is breathtaking. It is decorated exquisitely, beautiful flowers and flower bouquets everywhere. Flowers of the colors that delight you the most. And you even notice the table settings are absolutely phenomenally decorated. The view is stunning. It's one of a kind. Everything looks magnificent, and you see the stage in front, where you will soon be standing to be presented to all of your loved ones, your friends, your family, and all of these strangers here to support you as well. Your heart beats a little faster. and you steady yourself with a breath as your host now invites you to come onto the stage with the 11 other people to be presented today as their true selves, as your real selves. And the host introduces you one at a time, sharing the highlights of each individual as they are presented to the world as their true identity, as their true self. And with each one, the crowd applauds and cheers, and your excitement grows because you know it is soon your turn. And now it is your turn. So with a nice deep breath, you step forward. And as the host introduces you as your true identity, as your true self to the room erupts with applause and cheers. You can feel the love. It is so thick, the support, the acceptance, the pride. And as you stand there, taking it all in, smiling at the crowd, and receive their smiles back, happiness flows through you in a rainbow of colors. You are so delighted, and it feels so good to be embraced as you, as your true identity, as your true self. And as you stand there receiving all of the love from the crowd, the acceptance, you are thrilled with all of the new possibilities available to you now. There's so many new possibilities, opportunities, doors opened for you now that you've come out to all of your friends, your family, to the world. You feel explosions of inner freedom, self-love. You are delighted in all of the new opportunities for you. The freedom, the self-love, the relationships, the friendships, peace, joy, happiness, and gratitude. And as you step back to let the next person be introduced, you are just beaming with pride for them and for you. And once the final person has been introduced, you all exit the stage to greet your loved ones in the crowd. And even strangers are greeting you, hugging you, celebrating you, high-fiving you, giving you the words of encouragement, the love, the acceptance, the energy that you wished this day would bring. And it has brought that for you. With each step, you feel more and more confident, and you know that every day your confidence will only continue to grow. And now it is time to sit and celebrate with your loved ones, with your friends, your family, and all of the new friends that were once strangers at the beginning of the celebration, that are now new friends, new family for you to embrace, and for them to embrace you. And as you eat, loved ones begin to toast you, to toast all of your accomplishments, all of the obstacles you overcame, all of the challenges you rose above, and you moved through so that this day could exist and be here, and that they could be here with you to celebrate with you and celebrate you. They give you the most beautiful toasts. You can't help but have a tear come to your eye as you're filled with love and pride and excitement of everything that awaits you now, all of the possibilities that are now available to you. You just take a look around and you take it all in, and you feel so whole, so seen, so loved, so valid. You just notice how good it feels to feel free, whole, and valid, and embracing who you are, and allowing others to meet you and embrace you too. And in this moment, you truly, truly believe that all of the people here love you, they're proud of you, and you take it in completely. You believe it, you see it, you can feel it, you can hear it. It's all right here in this memory that is being formed, a memory of your coming out celebration, introducing everyone to the true you, to your true identity, to your true gender, to who you really are, who you've always been, and now you've invited them in to know you, to love you, and you have invited a deeper self-love, a deeper self-acceptance, and now your life is your oyster. You get to play and create and be you. And you spend the night dancing, laughing, enjoying this incredible food, the company around you. The night really is full of cheer, friendships being made, photos being taken, confidence embraced, everyone getting accepted for being themselves. It's such a beautiful, breathtaking night. If our life is measured by breathtaking moments, this is one for the stars. It is such an incredible night, and as you delight in your evening, you realize that things that used to bother you in the past have now been removed, released, resolved. And as you breathe in all of the love and the support of your friends, your family, the universe, society, and all of the people here tonight. You just breathe in that love, and it fills you up, and you feel incredible. It's refreshing to know that society is now acknowledging you, affirming you, and welcoming you as your true self. But you know you could still be you, because look around you. You see all of the love, the acceptance, the celebration of you and your life. And it's happening right now. So you breathe in all of the love and the support, and you breathe out all of the fear, all of the doubt, all of the negativity, all of the limited thinking. Breathing in all of the love and the support. Breathing out the limitations. Breathing in the love and support. Breathing out the fear, the doubt, the limitations. Breathing in the love and the support. And breathing out the fear, the doubt, the limitations. Very, very well. Taking a moment to acknowledge how wonderful it felt, celebrating you as your true self. Just notice how wonderful that felt. And then when you're ready, go ahead and take in a nice deep breath and open your eyes, returning to your day. I'm Steph. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and say hi in the comments. I am sending you endless love. And before you go, say it with me. I am enough. I matter. I make a difference. My life is important. I get to be me. And I love celebrating who I am and my life and inviting people into love me. I'll see you next time. Bye.